How to change WordPress password in database. Log into your cPanel. Navigate to Files section and click on File Manager. Navigate to the root folder of your WordPress website. Click to open the config.php file in order to check what database is used for your WordPress website. Click on Close button. Go to cPanel. Navigate to Databases section and click on phpMyAdmin. Select the database. Find and click on the WP_users table. Click on Edit. On the next page, type your new strong password into the user_pass field. Select MD5 in the drop-down and click Go. Your password has successfully changed. Go to WordPress login page and try new password. Type username. Type newly created password. Hit the login button. You have successfully logged in with newly created password. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe to my channel Accent Pupil.